This is AK-47 M4 shaped shotgun. Oh, it goes down.
He was 14 years old.
When he started shooting. Look at this image here he's got, like, yeah, the British arm. It's pretty heavy.
From 16 years.
16 years. He's like sitting like Game of Thrones there with all the guns behind him. And these are all World War II guns, Soviet Union.
Yeah. But it's like
Oh, yeah.
this is a revolver.
It's a revolver.
British Army have a lot of storages,
Yeah.
weapons.
And all these guns like this. He's a gun expert. Oh, what's this?
This is First World War.
Oh
Second
my
World War.
gosh, look at these guns. What is that? What? Oh my God, I just looked at the roof and I didn't realize all the roof is filled with guns. The whole roof behind, and these are all World War II guns?
Yes.
Oh my God.
Some are older than World War.
Oh my God, these are all World War I and World War II guns. Look at all this, huh? Look how it is.
He is the most expert person.
You're the most expert with guns?
Yeah, the old one.
Look at this image here he's got, like, I gotta take a picture of this dude.
You can see this.
Look at that.
This is from 18th century.
18th century.
Guns. When they
Unbelievable.
put the gunpowder and then.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Oh, this is 18th century.
Unbelievable. Yeah. There we go. Look at that. He's like sitting like Game of Thrones there with all the guns behind him. Gun of Thrones. Yeah. Yeah. Can I take a picture here? Give me a good gun. A good gun to hold. Wow, look at that. Look at that. What is this one?
This is British.
This is a British gun here.
Yeah.
Yeah? Check this out. A British gun.
British Army used this in the second.
Yeah, the British army. It's pretty heavy.
Yes.
You know, it's a heavy gun. And boom, I can imagine the weight on this. Very heavy. Wow. Amazing. Yeah. Look at this. Yeah. Yeah.
I will give you some.
Oh yeah? Yeah. Oh, I'll give this back to him. Yele, shukriya, thank you. What should I pick up? They got new ones as well, right?
You take this.
Yeah. Look at all these guns, guys. How long has he been working here, Zia? This guy?
From childhood.
You've been working here since childhood? Wow.
From 60 years.
16 years.
60 years.
60?
Yes.
60?
Yes. He's
Oh my
more
God.
than 60.
He's more than 60,
He
yeah.
looks younger, but he's old.
Yeah.
We are studied in one Khari.
Yeah.
Gaga chapter nashte. Gurish da sara bagi chapter nashte.
Wow. Insane. Look at all these guns. Wow, what is that? That's a rifle, right? It's like a hunting rifle. Yeah. This one, huh?
Stun gun.
Stun gun.
Yes.
What do you think of this, Zia? Look at that.
Stun gun.
Stun gun.
Yeah, you know, just they put the magazine in Second World War and the
Oh, yeah, yeah.
side magazine.
It's like something maybe used on the Normandy beaches. Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. Very old stuff.
Yeah, it's used.
Yeah. Yeah. That's an old one. Yeah. Look at all the stuff he's got there. It's got tons of stuff. Right. So Zia, this shop is all World War II stuff?
Yeah. Some are World War One.
World War One.
And some are older than World War One.
Oh my God! This one, that is like 18th century, unreal. Look at that. Yeah. All of these things there. Unbelievable stuff. Zia, what's that?
This is wow.
That's like a spy James Bond gun.
Yeah, this is used for in old time, like Soviet Union time.
Yeah. Soviet Union.
Yeah, but it's like
Oh yeah, that's like a. What is that like? That's like a cowboy gun.
yeah.
It's like a right, isn't it?
Red Dead Redemption.
It's like a cowboy gun. That one.
This is a revolver.
It's a revolver. Yeah.
What's your name?
My name's Usman. What's your name?
My name is Huzaifa.
Huh?
Huzaifa.
Huzaifa, how long have you worked here?
In here?
Yeah.
2 years.
You've been working here 2 years?
Yes.
And what type of guns do you make?
I make
TT?
9 mm.
9
mm.
mm. Yeah.
This is from 1877.
1877. Oh my gosh.
I show you.
Yeah.
This is Springfield, made US.
Is this Springfield or Smith and Weston?
Springfield.
Springfield.
And December 1877.
1877. Unreal. Yeah. What do you think about this? All these guns here.
This is the remaining of British Empire.
That's the remainder of the British Empire. And this is the graveyard of all the old World War II, World War I guns. They end up here, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Because when the
What's your YouTube channel name?
Usman K Shah. Yeah. Just type in Usman K.
because after when the Second World War finished,
Yeah.
so British Army have a lot of storages
Yeah.
of weapons.
Yeah.
So they store their own weapons,
Yeah.
and also they store the captured weapons from Nazis and other.
Right.
So when they give independence,
Yeah.
they left, but their storages are handed over to Pakistan and Indian government.
Oh, I see.
So later it was like scrap,
Scrap. Yeah.
yeah, because they didn't use it. So in 2005,
Yeah.
we purchased this scrap from the government.
Yeah. Check this out. What's he got there, Zia?
Yeah,
What is that?
it's
That-
a shotgun.
That's a shotgun.
Yeah.
M4 shape.
M4 shaped shotgun.
Yes. This
Wow.
is their own design.
Their own design. Unbelievable.
Are you
Yeah.
Muslim?
Of course, yes. Alhamdulillah. Look at this up here. All this stuff. So Zia, what are they doing with this? Are they going to give this away, sell it?
Basically, we are making this, cleaning it like you can see this.
Yeah.
Cleaning, renovating, and then we keep this like as a souvenir and as a,
As a souvenir.
yeah.
Yeah. Look at this guy. That's just epic. This is AK-47. Okay. Let me come there. Let me come there. Let me come there with Zia, with all these guns in the background there. I gotta come with you. Huh? I gotta come with you here. Shukriya, bas theek hai, shukriya. Sorry. Look at this, Zia. This is a picture, right? With this guy and all these guns like this. AK-47. Look at this. Did you make this gun? Did you put it together? Huh? He did. He put all this together. All these guns. Yeah. Amazing. All of these. Right? You're the gun expert. He's the gun expert. Yeah. That's a heavy gun. That's a heavy gun. Yeah. Zia, can I get 2 of these guns?
Yeah, another place.
Yeah. Okay, good. Yeah. You use this gun?
Yes.
Yeah? Thank you.
Ah,
Thank you, Zia. Yeah.
Sir? Usman K.
K. You will find me. Usman K Shah. You will find me.
Pakistani copy.
This is a Pakistani
This
copy?
is not original.
No?
No original. This is copy.
Mm.
This is 1975.
1975 copy, huh? Look at, oh, it goes down. Yeah.
It's a very good gun.
Is it? You hold this. Now let me hold this. Yeah, so this one is 1947, no, 1970. 75 AK-47 done in a Pakistani altered way, okay? It's a powerful gun. What does this gun do then, the 47? How many rounds does it shoot, 47?
30 rounds.
30 rounds, and when you pull the trigger, it's just like, so almost automatic.
This is locked.
This is locked, I know it's locked, but I'm just feeling it, it just, yeah. It's pretty heavy as well, yeah? And with the bullets, it gets more heavy.
Yes.
Yeah. Short handle, magazine.
Can you like this?
Huh?
Can you like this?
Yeah. Can I take this? I don't think so. Where does this, do you sell this abroad?
Where are you from?
Huh? From London?
From London.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here we go, brother. Let me try it, huh?
Come.
Yeah. Yeah.
You can see this crown.
Yeah.
This crown represents this is from British Empire.
The crown.
Yes, this one.
Yeah. Yeah, I see it.
Yes.
That's a
This is
British
from
gun.
British gun
Yeah.
from Second World War.
Second World War British gun. In fact, a lot of these guns are from World War II. A lot of them are British, right, Zia?
Yes.
A lot of these guns are all British.
Lived by the British Army.
Yeah, left by the British Army. Yeah. Thank you, brother. Take your gun.
Thank you.
When did you start shooting? How old were you when you started shooting?
I am 14-year-old.
Yeah, but when you started shooting, how old were you?
14.
Now he is 17,
Yeah,
but he was 14 years old.
when he
first time
started shooting. Very good, very good.